The Actify BOM and Routing Manager helps you take the engineering BOM or bill of materials from your CAD data and develop a manufacturing BOM suitable for your ERP or PLM system. In this example, the CAD data is in Actify's Centro database and the ERP system is Plex. Plex is a third-party online database. Plex is not part of Actify's offering. This is the BOM and Routing Manager homepage. It lists all the documents currently in the system, which you can sort and filter by these various properties. Now let's open a document. The documents in the BOM and Routing Manager have a top panel with project data and the 3D image from the Actify Centro catalog, which you can zoom and rotate. A unique aspect of the BOM and Routing Manager is the second panel, which automatically imports the engineering BOM from the CAD data, the assembly and all of its components here on the left, and presents on the right side a preview of the information that will be written to the online database. So let's take a look at this from the beginning. In the Create dialog, we select the catalog part and the PCN, which is the instance of the online database that we want to address. The new document pulls in the 3D image from Centro, and the second panel shows the engineering BOM, also from Centro. In this case, I picked a trivial assembly, just a single component, to focus on how we populate the component data here. This dialog automatically acquires the drop-down options from the online database. For example, these options here. And it implements business rules. In this case, we've configured most of these items to be required. Other rules apply as I make selections. For example, when I select part source make, then the tool sets up process routing for making the part, and I have to select values for that. Another rule creates a new entry for raw material, and we need to give that a name. After filling out all the fields, I can save, and then I'll push to Plex. And here is our success notification. So the BOM and Routing Manager sets up parts and assemblies in Plex. Check out Actify's Program Job Sheet video to see another business tool integrated with Plex. Thanks for watching.